Hey everyone, welcome to my third. Um, Today I'm gonna be going over the integral transform from the previous video. However, I made a little error when I first did it. So let's redo it. So our resulting integral transform is going to be this. And it's going to have this property. So we're going to prove this property. So we're going to say I f of t is the same thing as j L f of t. So then now L f prime of t is going to equal to f prime of t, which is just going to be equal to f of t e power of negative e power of u infinity 0 minus integration 0 infinity f of t times negative e to the power of u, which we can bring it out, so then plus e to the power of u of t e to the power of negative t e to the power of u dt. This, by definition, is just L f of t. And then this, as t approaches infinity, it'll just approach 0, assuming f of t is like sub-exponential, and then minus f of 0. So okay. Now j L f prime of t is going to be equal to integration e to the power of u minus f of 0. We can bring the f of 0 out. Next, this we're going to rewrite as u plus alpha squared, which is just going to be the 1 over 2 alpha times u squared plus 1 over 2 alpha times 2 alpha u, which is just e power of u, and then times e power of alpha squared over 2 alpha, which is just e power of alpha over 2. So then we'll have to do this in order to make it, get this. And then, 1 second, making dinner. Finally get to bust out the honey mustard. If you can't tell, I love honey mustard. So anyways, I'll let dinner cool down first. So this is the same thing as plus. We're gonna do this minus alpha, but since due to this, we can just do this. Du plus alpha okay, and then f of t u plus alpha minus alpha, our new u becomes that, puv du. Now lf t is equal to u minus alpha, which is just the same thing as this, which we e power of negative alpha, e power of alpha, e power of alpha, negative alpha, and then times e to the power of alpha. This becomes our new t. Which is just equal to e power of alpha times LF of e power of alpha of t. So then this becomes this, which is just the same thing as this, which is the same thing as this. This, by definition, is literally just going to be equal to J L F prime of t equals J L F of e power of alpha t e power of alpha over 2 minus f 0, and then our I, and then we just place J of L with I, and then you get this. And J of L is equal to this. So, voila! Behold, ultimate integral transform. So yeah. Have a nice day.